Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can get a loan to buy a profitable business. Buying a profitable business is one of the easiest ways to financial freedom today. Acquiring a business that is already making money allows you to have a source of income right away. You will be surprised how many profitable businesses are on the market for sale. Many baby boomers that own businesses are retiring, and they are placing their business on the market for sale. There are two loan options that you can use to make a business acquisition. Both of them require you to be a U.S. citizen or to be a permanent resident, green card holder. The second option is the term loan. This is a faster option because it takes 24 hours or less to get approved for a term loan. You just need to meet the following criteria: 680 plus credit score. Proof of income. Income can come from W-2, business, investment, or rental income as long as you have ways to prove it. Acceptable proof of income includes tax returns, W-2, pay stubs, bank statements, and more. We place a link in the description below for people looking to apply for term loan. The second option is the SBA loan program. It has the lowest interest rate and the longest terms, and you can qualify for up to $5 million. To qualify for a business acquisition SBA loan, you need to meet the 5 criteria below. 680 plus credit score. You need to have 680 plus credit score in all 3 bureaus. If you do not meet the credit score requirement, you can join our credit repair program using the links in the description below. Solid resume. Your resume should include your education, your work experience, your business management experience, anything that shows your ability to run a business. 10 to 15% down payment. You need to be able to put down 10 to 15% of the business price. The down payment cannot come from a loan. I also placed a link in the description below about creative ways to get the down payment. Business for sale is eligible for SBA loan. The business you are looking to buy need to be eligible for SBA loan. There are a few types of businesses that are not eligible for SBA loan that include cannabis businesses, gambling, etc. I placed a link of all business types that are not eligible for SBA loans in the description below. Business for sale has good accounting records. The business you are trying to buy needs to have good accounting records. You'll be asked to provide their business tax returns as well as their latest profit and loss statement. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.